But here for once again, no matter about thinking beyond politics. So they be a me no because of our man Ghana. And you bet me a year I'm a man tumpo without associating it with politics. Nane me who article be our Ghana webwa. Nana Kofi one of the communication members for MPP. I can say Ghana for Nyabutre. And Nanado I ready. So be fix on mine. Our Jeffrey Mahama sem lenyen. And you do hire me in Tiasi. Nanado Emra Orban. When him say on mine yet. I know your campaign say where your money ye. And it is a 1 year baby to me no. And then I was away. Do what you promise to do and stop apportioning blames. So associate the cause or mine with coronavirus. Baby be so. A free break coronavirus in the buy. A buying on any penny for no. Untiomaka. And the average Ghanaian no year juma. Now 10 tax. Now the 12 moka. A day in a brosso say, on also with Yanaka. And then a boss say, overpay Juma Manai. So this political attitude, near work Ghana for politicians. And one more mining koso. Listen, say Rollins, and a year the Amuye say, more ma obi demonstration. And a mother amok cars go Independence Square. Come because oh, a soldier mine. Nanado, maybe so. Every bank now will be a soldier. I ain't Ghana for Nankase a demonstration yet tiao. Now one per se a demonstration tiawuntino. Who block one with the police. It doesn't make sense. Corona ba, nya Ghana one and a demonstration all over the world. Baby omu hu se ni menko yie, they demonstrate, be and stop war. Instead necessary, MPP ne na aban. Musu mbetimi ayo man no. And I'm pleading with Ghanaians and I'm to Abama. So fix the country and stop the noise. Fix the country and stop apportioning blames. So won't mean spell menture. Obian push you say, be Ghana president. Benjamin Chadie, there are other platforms you bet me a casa. It's call Twitter, call Facebook, call YouTube. Now that you say, I'm gonna stop with those virtual demonstrations. We might good until we be near being a sonko. And keep you growing in here 1 2 years a year. And go see from no dear mad dear, obey me. And so because of greediness, Nintino, or no one to me you, and so we'll see from no be mamma fine it. I feel so mistress Ghana for. Yanka see a better thinking outside Accra. Sabine no embeso be decentralized Ghana. Yanka see bet me decentralized Ghana. Yanfa ni say be manyeska. Na me person be a business. Instead of say me be a business no Accra. And somebody call other region. See somebody call that region no. Na me be a business na. Let me employ other people from that region. Enti mama yanwe on mine ho. Ankra no. Someone sakabi na bet me ye bibi. No bi so say timi akona no a. Yeah. And mama yamwa yemye bi human bi si betumi a se be afoforo betumi a blom som setimi akoma no no ba gya some be depend on aban so na so obi afri ne kurase okotrankran obi afri ne kurase okotrankran dia and mama aban na nya tumi say obi amankran wontimi survive and also moyen se koba ne say region is capable enough to collect their own taxes for the progress of the region now. I tell you aban wan kasa kro waso mbejo na ho ato. This is a regional minister and more anything. On Yashi because one will depend on Abino to help him to do what is right. Ghana is one of the countries Abino is the largest employer, which is not good. So Abino is the largest employer. Unemployment rate is increasing. After so Mr. Abino said, the regional ministers now oyiwo omo mutumi to work to say on president now in those regions. So the beya almost benya capacity. In that region without sending those taxes to Accra. And I say a portion of the taxes will be remained in the region for that region to progress. There's already a BBR the conquering into region where here and Wabia, a just a conquering and send the one. This is nonsense. It doesn't make sense. That's how I need to teach it on my. This is bogus politics and bogus policies. Politics and what of mine. Mummy nyina yenya baako efisi ekoduru ba bia ye misa obi say party ben na o join you ye bisa say wo free hin so free na say Ghana ni dia ene Ghana for mummy nyina yenka mo emfa ho ni ba bia we free emfa ho ni ba bia we free e kan ho boma yenka se betimi apushi oman na dachi nchirima amre na dachi me no mienu ye mpani bremu no yenka sanso ya amre ɛnyɛ obiara na bɛnya opportunity etimi etu kwan ekɔtena broni kuro mu ɛnyɛ obiara ehu mi nkan adwemo na ebetimi amoman no ayeye mɛda mo ase tiefo sɛ nnenso no munya adagye na mohwɛ me video yi mama mo remfi sɛ mo be like mo be share na mo be subscribe to this channel mɛda mo ase